This video is going to be how to draw an owl. Get your pencil and eraser, your sketchbook, and your quarter-size sheet of paper. I do not draw on a full-size sheet of paper. I just get small sheets of paper. I cut them into 4 pieces because we are learning how to draw with lines and shapes. And it is a lot easier to draw small first when you're learning than it is to draw big. So with your paper, follow my lead. And the first shape that we are doing, we're holding the paper vertically. And this is the first shape. You are going to draw 2 circles connecting each other. There's one, and you're going to try to make them the same size. They're going to touch each other right in the middle. Okay, 2 circles. They don't have to be perfect, but try to make them about the same size. Circles are hard to do, and they're really hard to do trying to make them the same size, but just do your best. If you mess up, draw light so when you erase the lines go away. Alright, the next shape that we are going to do is another circle inside, which is smaller, and it's going to be touching again. 2 circles touching each other inside. Alright, so there's 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next shape that we're going to do, you're going to put a dot right there above the 2 O's right in the middle so you know where you're going to start and we're going to end down here. So you're going to do a letter C and you're going to connect to down here. So go around the circle and make a letter C. See, there's your C. And then you're going to connect right inside the middle like that. Put your pencil back to the dot that you made and we're going to do a backwards letter C and go in this direction. So go around your letter O, make a backward C, and then connect. Okay, next step that we're going to do, you're going to start again up here where you had put your dot. You're going to go around the C's, but you're going to stop and then go back in the opposite direction and go up. Okay, do it to the other side. So everything I do on the left side, I'm going to do on the right side. You go up, you're going to stop, and then go out. Like that. Okay, next step we're going to do, you're going to do 3 little half circles. 1, the second one you're going to go a little bit inside more, 2, and then the third one you're going to connect right there. Do that on the same side over there. 1, go in again a little bit, 2, so you're getting closer, and the third one you connect. 3, there's his ears. Alright, the next step for the owl is going to be his little beak. It's going to be a letter V right here. And then you're going to cross the letter V and close it with a line going straight across. Okay, next step, inside the eyes, we're going to draw the little pupils. I am going to color it in. So there's 1, there's 2. I'm going to go ahead and color it in real quick. You don't have to do this step until you get your crayons or your color pencils, but I'm going to color it black. And this is the step that you're going to do once we start coloring, but I'm coloring it in now so you can see what we're doing. So it looks more like an owl. Alright, next step that we are going to do is a letter U right down here for the body of the owl. And I'm going to start in the middle of this C and I'm going to end in the middle of this C. So make a letter U, a big letter U, just like that. Alright, next step that we're going to do is the wings. Put your pencil right here at the top of this letter U on the left side and do a curved line going down. Put your pencil on this side, curved line going down. So you notice everything I do on the left side, I'm doing on the right side. And then we're going to close the wings, going back in to the letter U. Same on this side, going back in. Alright, next step is his feet. I'm doing 3 skinny ovals. 1, 2, 3 on the left side. 1, 2, 3 on the right side. Now, next step, inside, I'm going to put my pencil at the tip of the letter V, and I'm going to make a letter U going up like that, and the same on the right side. Letter U. Now I'm going to make a bunch of letter U's inside his body. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video so you can catch up. Now I'm going to make letter U's. So I'm going to make a whole bunch of letter U's inside. his body. And that is his little feathers. Okay. Once again, pause the video if I'm going too fast. And when you catch up, we will continue. Okay, next step, the owl has to be sitting on a branch. So in between his 2 feet, I'm going to do a skinny little wiggly line right in between his feet, and I'm going to continue that wiggly line. I'm going to pick up my pencil and go to the opposite side of his feet and continue the wiggly line, but just a little wiggle. You don't have to do it too much because the branches are organic and you don't want to make a straight line. Alright, you're going to go on the other side of the feet too, of the left side, and you're going to continue the branch just like that. Okay, with the branch it's connected to the tree. So now we're going to go up. This is the tree. I'm going to go up and do a little wiggly line, not too straight and not too wiggly, just a little bit so it looks organic. Alright, there's the tree, the bottom of the branch. You're going to put your pencil dot right there so you know where to begin. And you're going to go across under his feet and then connect to the other side of the branch over here. And then now we're going to continue this line. It's wiggly, it stops, pick up your pencil and go to this point, and then continue going down to the bottom of your paper. And then the last step, we're going to add a couple of leaves, smiley face, frown face, smiley face, frown face, and there is your owl sitting on a branch. Get your color pencils or your crayons, have fun coloring your owl, and please subscribe to my channel, look for more videos in the future, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw with lines and shapes.